Okay, students. Now we are looking at exercise 3.5, question number 4 ka fourth one. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? Okay. So you will first of all assume the speeds of the car, right? So let the speed of the car at A be u kilometers per hour and the speed of car at B be v kilometers per hour. So इसको थोड़ा सा you will have to use a diagram. Diagram बनाना पड़ेगा आपको, है ना? Right? So let us do that. So let's do this diagram. So let's take one point A, right, and another point B. ठीक है? और कहा गया है that these are 100 kilometers apart. Okay, so A and B are 100 kilometers apart. Now what is said here, the first condition, one car starts from A and another from B at the same time. Okay, so this starts from here, right, and it starts from B at the same time. और speeds कितने speeds पर? A starts at u kilometers and B starts at v kilometers per hour. Okay, if the cars travel in the same direction, okay, so दोनों same direction में जा रहे हैं at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. Okay, so अगर वो एक ही direction में जा रहे हैं, meet कहाँ करेंगे? ठीक है, think, yes, take one second to think. If they are traveling in the same direction, where do you think they will meet? कहाँ पर meet करेंगे? Yes, of course, B के बाद ही meet करेंगे. ठीक है, A और B के बीच में नहीं meet करेंगे क्योंकि वैसे ही B अपनी जगह से छूट गया है. ठीक है, तो जहाँ पर भी meet करेंगे वो B के बाद ही होगा. So that point of meeting will be only after B. Okay, so let's take that point as C. So they meet at C after 5 hours. So this is your first case. इसको हम case 1 बोल लेते हैं. Okay, we write it as case 1. Okay, so where A and B start together and travel in the same direction and they meet at point C. Okay, now what is the distance traveled by A? What is the distance traveled by A? Traveled by car at A. Yes, correct. It is AC. So the distance traveled by the car at A is AC. और वो distance कैसे मिलेगा? How can we get that distance? We cannot get that distance. It is not given directly. Okay, so we will have to use the speed and time. So distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, distance is equal to speed into time. And यहाँ पर A का speed हो गया u and it's the time taken is 5 hours. So this is 5 u kilometers. Okay, similarly same thing we'll do for B. कि distance traveled by car at B. Okay, so distance traveled by car at B. ठीक है, so that again is equal to BC and that is again equal to distance directly नहीं दिया है, you will have to use speed and the time. So speed here for B is V into time is same 5. So we have 5v kilometers. Okay, right. Now हम देखेंगे कि ये जो है ये AB क्या है? AB दिया हुआ है 100, right? So AB, AC और BC में क्या relationship है? AB, AC और BC में क्या relationship है? ठीक है, right? So आप लिख सकते हो क्या? AB, okay, is equal to AC minus BC, right, from the figure. Okay, so AB यहाँ पर क्या है? 100 kilometers AC कितना है, हमने लिखा है 5V माइनस 5U. यस, ओके. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, डिवाइडिंग थ्रू आउट बाय, सॉरी यहाँ थोड़ी सी गलती होगी, 5U माइनस 5U माइनस 5V. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं by dividing throughout by 5. So you have U minus V is equal to 20. ये हो गया आपका first equation. Now let's take another page and deal with the second case. Okay? Or I'll write it here itself. Now case 2 क्या है? If the car travels towards, if the two cars, they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. Okay? So let us look at that. Okay, where they travel towards each other. Okay, they travel towards each other. So this is your case 2. Okay, so this is A and this is B, right? Now they are traveling towards, अभी भी इनके बीच का distance तो अभी भी कितना है, 100 kilometers. There is no change in that. बट अब वो ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे की तरफ. सो दिस इज U एट द स्पीड U and B. नाउ देयर मीटिंग पॉइंट विल बी इन बिटवीन A and B. Okay, so their meeting points will be in between A and B. So suppose this is C, right? Okay, so they meet somewhere in between. Mid point पर नहीं है, but somewhere in between. Again, what will we do? We will do this. Distance traveled by car at A. Car at A again is equal to AC. Again it is speed into time. Speed into time. So that is equal to, यहाँ पर speed है U and time लग रहा है 1. So the distance is U kilometers. Similarly, distance traveled by car at B. Okay, car at B हो गया BC. That is equal to again speed into time, that is V into 1, that is B kilometers. अब यहाँ पर AB, AC और BC में क्या रिलेशनशिप है, ठीक है, चलो उसको लिखते हैं. AB, AC और BC में क्या रिलेशनशिप है? यस, दैट इज AC plus BC is equal to AB, right? So AC here is U plus BC is V and that is equal to 100. ये हो गया आपका second equation, right? So what are the equations here? Okay, I'll write it separately. So the equations are U minus V is equal to 20. That is the first equation. And the other one is U plus V is equal to 100. Right? You can solve both very easily by elimination method. Okay? So ये दोनों cancel हो जाएंगे. This is 2U is equal to 120. U is equal to 120 upon 2, that is 60. Right? And therefore V कितना हो जाएगा? Substituting this value in 1. This value in 1. This value in 1. Okay, so what do we have? 60 minus V is equal to 20. 60 minus 20 is equal to V, and therefore V is equal to 40. Right? Therefore आपके speeds क्या हो गए हैं? The speed of car at A, आपका answer statement क्या होना चाहिए? The speed of car at A is 60 kilometers per hour and the speed of car at B is 40 kilometers per hour. पूरा लिख लेना आप. Okay, the speed of car at A is 60 kilometers per hour and the speed of car at B is 40 kilometers per hour.